Hi there, Lewis here with Alex Vieira on Livestream. Today, I bring you 4 legendary calls on how to invest in China. Yes, I said 4. Astonishing, isn't it? But first, have you ever heard about the Traders Inside China module? It's all over the web. Check Google's most recent statistics on autonomous trading. Let's listen to Alex on Alibaba, Baidu, JD.com, and NIO. Everything you need to know within minutes. Chinese investors have never made so much money, but the American retail crowd investing in China keeps losing ground because they were left behind the artificial intelligence revolution. AI Vision is the only team in the world offering 100% accurate price targets, stock pivots, real-time trading with instructions on video delivered on live stream and live TV. Available on any device. Join Autonomous Nextcloud, where you can try chat, video, collaboration, and so much more. Need to chat with our team? Find us on Slack. We are everywhere and it's free to use.
Today you have Alibaba trading for the first time below $200. This is a market milestone. I started investing in Alibaba at $58, upgrading to strong buy. In fact, you are not going to see $58 again on Alibaba for obvious reasons. And at that time also exposing the fraud by Americans that they had the sell ratings on Alibaba, namely individual called Gene Shanus. He referred to Alibaba as scam. Obviously, Alibaba, one of the best Chinese companies to invest in. Having said this, it is equally important for you to visualize where you have the other Chinese companies. I invited everyone so you can read it here, the comments. One model, millions of dollars in profits, 100% accurate price targets, pivots, instructions in video, including charts, and all this for $2,800 per year. It is no longer available for obvious reasons, okay? Meanwhile, the prices, they increased over 30 times. So I'm going to show you here the chart in or the price in GDK. So today $70, okay? So a pullback from the top. I remind you that you had all these instructions in GDK available for months on the site web, autonomous trading for you to buy if you wanted to for $750, okay? 100% accurate. And now you are going to see what happened to Baidu, the company that Americans, they were saying that it was going to $600. And you see here the crash in Baidu, precisely announced in real time, equally along with the case of Alibaba. In this particular case, going short Baidu compared to Alibaba, okay? So we had a short position in Baidu, and you have it here, the crash in Baidu. And we discussed this investment process with 100% accuracy for months, okay? In fact, 4 years, because I've been discussing this, my friends, 4 years, all right? So preferring to invest, for example, in companies like Google instead of Baidu. But, my friends, you are invited to buy today, because today the price is better than when the Americans, they were buying at $360 with price targets $600 on Baidu. So I leave you here with the article on the autonomous trading side, selling by Alibaba at $390 when the Americans, they turned all bullish. Never listen to an American, in particular when they turn bullish, because, my friends, you know what happens. I've been here since 1989 explaining all this stuff. So if you are losing money on investing in Alibaba, GD.com, or Baidu, do not forget to click on dislike on YouTube, despite the fact that you had all this information 100% accurate, 100% free since inception. Thank you.